Welcome. If you want to activate the location tags in your photos on LG K61, for the first you have to open your camera. Right now tap on the left upper corner, and all we have to do is just to tap on the tag location. And right now when we take a photo, we'll see the location when we enter the settings, and it will be right here, the details. And as you can see right here, we got our location. So when we go back and turn it off and take a photo one more time, we cannot check the location and the details. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!